G'day, my name's Eden, and today I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the Tuchel 590 Plus collecting broom. This broom is best suited for front loaders, however it can be easily adapted to suit tractors, skid steers and even forklifts. The Tuchel 590 Plus broom comes standard with a 590mm diameter sweeping broom, hence the name. A key feature and unique selling point of this broom in particular is standard across all Tuchel brooms, which is its forward driving collecting motion. So the operator does not need to drive backwards to operate the broom effectively. This broom is highly customizable and comes with a few different options. A third jockey wheel at the front for extra stability. 100-litre water tank with a 12-volt pump to spray water to control dust, and this hydraulically operated side broom, which can be moved to either side of the unit. The Tuchel 590 Plus is extremely adaptable. We've got on both sides of the drum a height adjustment to quickly readjust the height if you want to control the level of debris that you're digging into, or if you're simply adjusting to account for wear on the broom itself. Come around. The jockey wheel also features 3 different height adjustments, and the whole sweeper comes complete with some legs which you can deploy to keep it stable while being transported. The whole sweeper is able to swing left or right by about 45 degrees. Got 3 different adjustments here. Simply remove a pin and pivot the whole unit into place. To keep the bucket open when sweeping, if you simply don't want to collect the debris and want to sweep it off the road, for instance, you've got one quick valve adjustment and that will stay, and you're able to continue to spin the broom without the bucket being closed. The whole sweeper has a simple hydraulic setup with your return and your flow line, and a 12-volt connection for running the pump in the water spray. Over here, we've got a couple controls to adjust the hydraulic flow to your auxiliary side broom. And on the side broom, you've got a little adjustment here for controlling the level of water spray at that level. So the broom operates on your standard hydraulic circuit. So you operate one way to start the broom, and when you want to empty the bucket, you simply reverse the circuit. When paired with mini loaders or anything with a telescopic boom, you're able to lift the whole unit up and tip into tip bins, for instance. So, operating your side brush, got a quick adjustment lever here, which frees the whole thing to come tilt down. Simply flip that up and drop the unit down. And you've got a little switch here, fine tuning your flow to the head. Once the head is down and the valve is open, it will simply run while running the other broom. When you are done, you just flop that back up and put the arm in the correct position. If you'd like to inquire about one of these Tuchel brooms, get in touch today and we'll happily quote you up.